Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what you're actually paying for and why. Open Settings or the App Store, sign in with your Apple ID, then go straight to Subscriptions to locate Apple TV and channel add-ons. Make sure you note the billing date and which payment method is charged so you don't get surprised. If you use family sharing, double-check who initiated the subscription. That affects how you cancel. Once done, proceed to cancel the active subscription listed. Now you perform the cancellation itself. Tap the Apple TV subscription entry and choose Cancel Subscription. If you prefer, remove just specific channel add-ons instead of the entire service. Make sure you confirm the cancellation on screen and keep an eye on the confirmation email or receipt. It proves you stopped future charges. If you're on a trial, do this before the trial ends. Once confirmed, you'll often retain access until the end of the current billing cycle. Finish by eliminating secondary charge paths and verifying bank activity. Check third-party accounts like your cable provider, Amazon, Roku, or Google Play where Apple TV channels can bill you, and cancel those too. If needed, remove or replace the Apple ID payment method with a prepaid card to prevent accidental recharges. Finally, watch your bank and card statements for the next 2 billing cycles to catch any residual or duplicate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.